Any doubts in yesterday's homework?
57th one.
57. Sn denotes the sum of first n terms of AP. Prove that S12 is equal to 3 into S8 minus S4. Is that the question?
Yes, ma'am.
RHS, LHS separately you have to simplify and you have to show they are equal. Write the formula of S12 separately. Simplify. S8 and S4 subtract.
Okay, ma'am.
S12, it's a regular meaning. N by 2, that is 12 by 2. 2a plus n minus 1, that is 11d, that is 6 into 2a plus 11d. 12a plus 66d is your LHS. RHS, 3 into S8 minus S4. 3. S8 means 8 by 2 into 2a plus 7d minus 4 by 2, 2a, 4 minus 1, 3d. 2 4s are 2 2s are. Simplify and solve. 8a plus 28d minus 4a minus 6d into 3. 3 into 8a minus 4a is 4a. 28d minus 6d is 22d. Multiply inside. 12a plus 66d. So both are equal. This is RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other?
Mom, I had the same doubt as well, so no more doubts.
Yes, ma'am. Same doubt I had, so no doubts, ma'am.
Ma'am, the 70th question is also of the similar type, right?
No, exactly same.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
The next NCERT question. Now this is very important question and brainstorming question. First read the question. What did you understand?
Ma'am,
Yes.
NCERT, which question is this, ma'am?
Optional exercise.
Okay, ma'am.
But this question was asked in 2016 board.
Ma'am, this is what I could infer from it. It's like there are houses from 1, 2, 3, 4 until 49 with the numbers on them. So the until X, so it's like the sum of the number of the number on until one part of the houses should be equal to the second part of the houses. Like Sn should be Sx should be equal to Sy. They're asking us to find the value of X until which term is that possible?
Yes. So here, if we check, this is a row of houses. In that, first house is 1, then 2, then 3, 4, and the last one is 49. Now, there is one house number is present. We don't know which one. We'll consider that as X. So if this house is X, so what is the house number before that?
X
X
minus
minus 1.
X minus 1. After that,
X
X
plus
plus 1.
X plus 1. They are asking there is a number X present between 1 to 49 such that the number of houses from 1 to X minus 1, the sum of these numbers and sum of remaining numbers like this side are equal to each other. So between 1 to 49, one single number arises in which the house numbers before that, that means the numbers right side of it and the sum of numbers on left side of it, both are equal to each other. So we have to calculate this X value. Clear? Meaning of the question clear? So we will consider this as Sn, and this we will consider as S dash n. So we have Sn is equal to S dash n. This is the information we have been given. Now see, position of first one is, what's the position of first number, this house,
1.
this one,
2.
2,
this one,
3,
number 4 house,
4,
4.
10th house,
10,
10.
20th house,
20.
26th house,
26.
6.
X minus 1th house.
X minus 1.
X minus
So this is present at which position?
X minus 1.
X minus
Ax
1.
minus 1.
So it is X minus 1th term is X minus 1. So number of terms on this side, it is X minus 1. Clear?
Okay.
yes ma'am,
So here n is equal to X minus 1. A first term is 1 and nth term is X minus 1 for the sum of all the house numbers on left hand side. Now find out the Sn then for left hand side. Sn is equal to, we are using only the first formula, n by 2 a plus an formula. So here Sn is equal to n. What is n? X minus 1 by 2 into a is 1 plus x minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So it is x minus 1 into x by 2. This is the sum of the number of houses on left hand side. Now on right hand side. Now how to calculate this? So first term is x plus 1, then x plus 2, and then till x 49. So this part, instead of finding out the sum of this directly, we can find this out indirectly. Is any idea how to find out that?
Ma'am, the whole sum, like 1 to 49 sum minus the Sn sum we got.
No. Till that, this sum, we got till this part only. This is not there. So the whole part minus the sum till x house. Then we will get, if you subtract the sum till xth house, we will get the sum of the remaining number of houses. Clear? Is it clear?
yes ma'am,
So S49 minus Sx we have to calculate. Till the house number x sum we have to subtract from the total sum. Then we will get this remaining parts as sum. So calculate S dash and S49 means 49 houses are there. So 49 is 49th position. So 49 by 2 into A plus N. A is 1, N is 49. Minus X, house number X is present on Xth position. So N is X here. X by 2 into 1 plus X. Is this clear?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Yeah.
are we considering AN as X?
Yeah. Till X part you have to calculate. No, X house number you have to calculate the sum.
Okay, ma'am.
So X minus 1 is at X minus 1th position. That means X will be present on
X position.
position. So N is X.
Okay.
AN means Niranjana. AN means in sum of terms. AN means the term till which you have to calculate the sum. AN is not always the last term here. Last term is now you are calculating the sum till 10 numbers. So AN will become A10. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
AN, don't get confused with AN. AN here, it is last term is 49. That means not AN, it's not always 49. So till which term you are calculating sum, that last term, that term will be considered as an nth term.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we are calculating the sum till 20 numbers. So S 20, A20 will become AN.
Okay, ma'am.
So here 49 into 50 by 2, don't divide anything right now. And here x into 1 plus x by 2. So this is part only, you leave that one, no need to divide that. Now here equate now. No any simplification, don't do any simplification. Now we have Sn is equal to S dash n. Equate now x into x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 49 into 50 by 2 minus x into 1 plus x or x plus 1, whatever it is, by 2. Now we can take 2 common. So 2, we can cancel from everything. Here 1 by 2 we can take common. So it will left with 49 into 50 minus x into 1 plus x is equal to x into x minus 1 by 2. So this 2 and this 2 cancel. Now take LHS x, RHS, this part of x, take it on LHS. So this is x into x minus 1 plus x into 1 plus x is equal to 49 into 50. X common in bracket x minus 1 plus 1 plus x. Now this minus 1 plus 1 cancel. X into 2x is equal to 49 into 50. So x square is equal to 49 into 50 by 2. So 2 into 25 here. So x square is equal to 49 into 25. So what is the value of x then? X square
35.
is 49 square root is 7, 25 square root is 5. So answer is 35. So when you take the numbers from 1 to 49, the 35th house. So all the numbers before 34, 35, that is still 1 to 34th number sum is equal to 36 to 49 numbers is sum. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Remember this question always. Right.
Ma'am, you should draw this also.
Yes, because
Okay,
this
ma'am.
how you'll understand after that.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Done.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Are you able to understand this drawing?
Staircase, yes, ma'am. Full 3D is looking nice.
And these are the staircases. There is a small terrace of football ground comprises of 15 steps, each of which is 50-meter long. The length is 50 meter is long and built of solid concrete. Each step has a rise of 1 by 4 meter. The rise, that means a height. Every step has a height of 1 by 4 meter. And the tread means this is breadth. This is of 1 by 2 meters. Okay. Calculate the total volume of concrete required to build the terrace. Now total concrete we have to calculate. Volume. So here which figure is every staircase is? That step. Each step. Which shape it is?
Cuboid.
It's a cuboid, right? It is a cuboid. Now, if you see the second one, its height also the same. This is 1 by 4. breadth is 1 by 2, length is same, so everything is same. So that means what? How much is the volume required to build the second step?
2 into the first step.
It's exactly because it is the same volume is present. So this part has the same volume, and below that, the same amount of this one is needed. The same step you can insert inside. So that means there will be the double volume needed to make the second one. Now in the third one, there will be totally 3 cuboids are placed one above the other because everyone's dimensions are equal. So there are 3 cuboids are needed. So how much is the volume needed for first one? So volume for first step, volume of concrete needed for making a first step is equal to, if we consider V1, that is equal to LBH. We can consider the volume of the cuboid is LBH. Now volume of concrete for second step is equal to V2, and this V2 is equal to
2 lbh.
2 lbh.
2 LBH. V3 third step
3 lbh.
3 LBH. Now 15th step
15 lbh.
10 lbh.
V15, that means it is 15 LBH. Now what is the value of LBH? Now here this is, so we have to add everything to get the total concrete, total volume of the concrete needed. Total volume of concrete required is equal to sum of everything, V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus so on till 15th step, V15. So now if you take it, this is LBH plus 2 LBH plus 3 LBH, so on till 15 LBH. Now if you take LBH common, it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 15 numbers are there. Now these terms are in AP. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
These numbers are in AP. So therefore we have to calculate SN. So LBH into SN, S15, because 15 steps are there. So first find out LBH. L is 50 meter, breadth is 1 by 2 meters, height is 1 by 4 meters into S15. That means N by 2, 15 by 2 into A plus AN. Right?
Ma'am, is the answer 750 meter cube?
I think so.
Okay, ma'am.
50 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 15 by 2. 15 plus 1 is 16. 4 2s are 8, 2s are 16. So all these three get cancelled. No, it's not 750. So it is 50. Okay, yeah, 750 right now. Sorry. It is 750 meter cube is the volume of the concrete, total volume of the concrete required to make that staircases, terrace. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
Ma'am, I guess you're done with the NCERT questions, right?
Yeah.
No, no, ma'am.
Can you scroll up, ma'am? Ma'am,
Yeah.
for the exam also from optional exercise, will they give questions?
Yeah. Actually, this question is 2016 board. This
Ma'am, then why they're writing that exercise as optional?
it was done earlier. Now it is removed. CBSE has told no optional, nothing is there.
Okay, ma'am.
Last year, circular came.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, so NCRT done. And already shown now few important questions are there.
NCRT fully completed?
Yes.
Okay.
In that I told question number 55 we have solved. 55th one you have solved.
Yes, ma'am, we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
solved.
No doubt.
No, ma'am.
Okay, good then. 58th one. Question number 58. Copy that question. Yes, read the question. Yes.
Ma'am, is it like this, ma'am? The thief ran like 100 meters.
Hmm.
After the policeman started to run behind him,
Hmm.
and for the policeman's first minute he ran 60 meters, second minute ran 65 meters, and so on. They're
Hmm.
asking how many minutes the policeman will catch up to the thief.
Yes. So first thief started running with a speed, uniform speed it is. It is given that he is moving with uniform speed. That is, every minute he is covering only 50-meter distance continuously. Every minute he will cover 50-meter distance. Now after 2 minutes, policeman runs to catch him. He goes 60 meter in first minute, increases his speed by 5 meter per minute every succeeding minute. That means he keep on police to catch him because he has started 2 minutes after. So to catch him, he started increasing his speed. Every minute he is increasing his speed by 5 meters. So that means first minute he will move 60-meter distance. Second minute he will move 65 meter distance. In the third minute he will move 70-meter distance. So this is with 5 meter every minute he is increasing the distance covered. So after how many minutes the policeman will catch the thief? The policeman's time duration we have to calculate. So we will consider the time uh, after which, so time required by police to catch thief, consider that as n. Consider that as n minutes. So if police will take n minutes, then how much is a thief will take? Thief has moved. Time for which thief was running.
N+2?
Yes. He has started 2 minutes earlier, so that means he has taken 2 minutes more. So n plus 2 minutes. Now distance covered by thief will be, in this case, one thing is common, that is how much is the distance thief has covered and how much is the distance police has covered is always equal because both of them have started from the same position and the police catched. So that means the distance covered by them is equal. Time required to cover that distance is different, but the distance is same in both the cases. The distance covered by thief and distance covered by police is same. So how much is the distance covered by the thief? Thief was moving with a uniform speed. So therefore distance is equal to speed into time. One second. It is speed into time. So speed is 50 meter and time is n plus 2. That is 50n plus 100 meter distance covered by the thief. Now the distance covered by police. Now police has covered in first minute. How much distance is covered? 60 meter.
Meters.
Second minute, it is 65. Third minute, 70. But in first minute he has covered 60 meter. In 2 minutes, how much distance he will cover?
60 plus 65.
60 plus 65. 60 plus 65. Now in 3 minutes,
Plus
2 minutes plus 70.
plus 70. This is the total distance covered in 3 minutes. Now he was running for t minutes. So we don't know that value. So we have to calculate the sum of all these distances till t minutes. So that means we have to calculate the sum till t minutes. So this is the sum we have to calculate the distance covered, total distance covered. Now calculate the sum. So here we have n minutes we have taken. Sorry. This n minutes till n. So this is 4 minutes. The 4 distances we have to calculate. 5 minutes we have to add all of them. So that is we have to keep calculating till n minutes. So that means we have to actually calculate the sum of all these, where the last number, the position of the last, that means the total distance covered at the end is n minutes. So an is the last term. So Sn we have to calculate. So Sn is equal to n by 2 because n we don't know. 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is n only. We don't know that value. 2 into 60, that is 120. N minus 1 and difference is of 5. So n by 2 into 120 plus 5n minus 5. 115 plus 5n into n by 2. So this is the distance covered by police. And we know that is distance covered by thief is equal to distance covered by police. So that is equal to, now distance covered by police, thief is 50n plus 100 is equal to n by 2 into 115 plus 5n. So now keep simplifying this. 2 will go this side. 100n plus 200 is equal to 115n plus 5n square. So take all the terms on this side because n square here it is positive. 5n square plus 115n minus 100n minus 200. So this is 5n square plus 15n minus 200 is equal to 0. Everything is divisible by 5. Divided n square plus 3n minus 40 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation we have to solve. So what are the this one? Middle terms?
5 and 8.
8 and 5. So n plus 8 and n minus 5 is equal to 0. So n is equal to minus 8 or n is equal to 5. Time cannot be negative. Time can not be negative. So therefore n is equal to 5 minutes. So police will catch a thief in 5 minutes. Is it clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Here only this is the part you have to remember, where I also sometimes get confused whether it is n plus 2 or n minus 2. If you understood this part, then everything is easy. The thief has moved 2 minutes earlier, so therefore he has took more time. He was running for more duration. So therefore it is n plus 2. It's clear? These questions you have to keep on repeating because these are the commonly asked questions. This one also 2016, 2017, they have asked this question in board exam. Done? Sorry, you have to note it down.
Ma'am, all these questions will come for how many marks?
4.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Everyone finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next 59th one. The sum of first n terms of 3 different APs. S1, S2 and S3. First term of each is 5. And common difference is d1 is equal to 2, d2 is equal to 4, and d3 is equal to 6. Prove that S1 plus S3 is equal to 2S2. There are 3 different APs are there. 3 different APs. Sn is S1, S2, S3. S1, S2, S3 are the 3 different APs. For that first one, S1 is the sum of n terms of first AP. A is 5 and D1 is equal to 2. Second AP is S2. A is 5 and D2 is equal to 4. S3 is a sum of n terms only for the third AP. S3 doesn't mean sum of 3 terms. S2 doesn't mean here it is sum of 2 terms. So S1 is the sum of Sn of first AP. This is Sn of second AP. This is Sn of third AP. So that first term is 5 and the common difference is 6. We have to prove this. So S1 plus S3 we have to do. What is S1? That is n terms. N is n only. N by 2 into 2a. 2 into 5 plus n minus 1 into 2. So n by 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2n minus 2. Are you able to understand this point? Don't confuse with S1, S2, S3. S1, S2, S3 are the sum of n terms of 3 different APs. This is 8 plus 2n. Take 2 common to get cancelled then. N by 2 into 2 plus 4 plus n into 4 plus n. So this 2 get cancelled. N is equal to 4 plus n. This is the first part. S1 value. Now what is S2 value? N by 2. It is not, don't take 2 here. Otherwise everything is confused then. 2 plus 5, 2 into 5, n minus 1 into common difference is 4. So n by 2 into 10 plus 4n minus 4. So 6 plus 4n is equal to n by 2. Take 2 common. N by 2, 2 into bracket 3 plus 2n. So this 2 get cancelled. N into bracket 3 plus 2n. This is second part. Now S3. Sum of n terms of third AP. That is n by 2. 2 into 5 plus n minus 1. Difference is 6. N by 2, 10 plus 6n minus 6. That is n by 2, 4 plus 6n. Take 2 common. N by 2, 2 into bracket 2 plus 3n. N into bracket 2 plus 3n is S3. This is third part. Now what they are asking us to prove, S1 plus S3 is 2 times S2. To add that, S1 plus S3 is equal to, this is S1. If you multiply inside, it is 4n plus n square. Plus this part is 2n plus 3n square. So you will get n square plus 3n square is 4n square. 4n plus 2n is 6n. So this is, we got S1 plus S2. This is LHS. Similarly, find out RHS. 2 into S2. So 2 S2 is 3n plus 2n square. So 6n plus 4n square. These are equal. LHS is equal to RHS. Clear?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll up? Ma'am, done.
Okay. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.